Hi, I'm Grant Abbott from SMSF Strategies, and today I've got Jason Eldridge, who's in the project marketing division of Ray White and Surfers Paradise. SMSF Strategies and Ray White have been doing a lot of work in this exciting area of SMSF borrowing. I must admit I know all the laws, I know the ins and outs of how to structure these borrowing arrangements, but really guys like Jason and his team have got a really good understanding of how this applies to self-managed super funds and how to cut really good deals. So Jason, what have you seen in the marketplace so far from your talks with developers and that?
In regards to the self-managed industry? Yeah, look, a lot of them are excited. They understand the concept and they want to get involved, but it's just how do we structure it? One of their biggest frustrations at the moment is moving stock. The economy is, there's a little uncertainty out this time, and especially with the lending component, so they really want to leverage off that where possible.
So it would seem, and I know you've set up your own fund, but it would seem that it's a great opportunity for self-managed super funds to use now this ability or this borrowing power to really make a good strong play into the property market.
Very much so, Grant. Look, the way I see it, it's a whole new pool of funds that we've not had access to in the past.
Yeah.
So that's why we're truly excited to be working with you and getting access to these funds so people can actually leverage off what their current net worth and actually increase their property portfolios. As a result, with our discussions with some of our developers, a lot of them are offering us extremely good entry points to their projects because they're looking to clear their stock levels.
Yeah, and again, it's an ability to move quickly. It's quite interesting when you have a look. There's $330 billion sitting inside the SMSF pool. And really there's such a small component, around about 8%, which is dedicated to property. When you think about it, and when I do talks, really the average Australian, a lot of them have come from the property investment perspective. It's surprising the self-managed has never taken that up.
Yeah, look, I'm amazed. It's a sleeping giant the way I see it. As you know, I told you I saw it a few years ago, and I just think a lot of people just don't fully understand it, the potential, and there's so many taxation benefits, the non-recourse, a lot of their external assets are protected. It's a no-brainer if you ask me.
Okay, so from that perspective, you started one a little while ago. How's yours going?
Look, it's going extremely well. We've got a couple of properties in WA that we're currently looking after, and at the same time my wife's currently trading. She works from home and she's able to, we've got a share portfolio which she trades from the comfort of her own home, and she's doing reasonably well.
Well, it's a lot more exciting than sitting back and giving it to a fund manager, isn't it?
Exactly. Well, we only have to look at the last 12 to 18 months and the performances, or the lack of performance they've achieved. So yeah, we like to have more of control and say in our future nest egg for ourselves and our children.
And it's going to be very exciting as we as we move along to rolling out is SMSF borrowing and property out across the Gold Coast and hopefully even wider regions, but certainly educating the people out there what is now possible under these self-managed super funds.
Yeah, look, I think it's part of the Ray White Surfers network. We've got a good profile here on the coast, and our directors are looking to give back to the community, and this is, we see it as part of our service, is to educate the public on opportunities such as this.
Very exciting.
It is.
Okay, thanks for that, Jason. It's Jason Eldridge and Grant Abbott from SMSF Strategies talking about SMSF borrowing and, more importantly, as it applies to property.